Okay. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
class.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चे.
Ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, we have both the classes together, 9th A and 9th B, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, today what we will do?
We will, I think in the previous class, we started with the new chapter, no?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think not with B class.
Worksheet of geography.
Don't worry.
Ma'am, you told we were doing worksheet.
We were doing worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
want me to do the worksheet right now?
No, ma'am. I am telling that in the previous class we did.
Okay. In this class, we are going to start with the new chapter of geography, that is the physical India and its physical features, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So I'll be sharing a PPT with you all.
When you pay your credit card bills on Cred, you earn Cred coins. Use them to claim cashback and rewards. I know this sounds ridiculous.
Okay. Can you
Ma'am,
see
in
the
this
screen?
PPT, whole chapter will be covered.
It is a way of, it is a simple way of explaining you what exactly do we have in this.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
It is quite interesting also. You will enjoy it.
Okay.
Right? You need to keep your books with you after we are done with the
PPT.
PPT, right? So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
a new chapter of geography, chapter 2, the physical features of India,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Adarsh Kashyap Kumar. That's fine. So the topics that we are going to cover in this chapter is
Ma'am.
the theory of the tectonic plates, the type of plate movements, formation of Himalayas, formation of northern
Morning,
plains.
ma'am.
Good morning, Victor. What are tectonic plates? Do you know?
Ma'am, these are present in the crust.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Present in the crust.
Ma'am, tectonic plates are present in the crust, and ma'am, they are responsible for earthquake.
Huh. See?
Yes, ma'am. When the tectonic plates move.
Okay. So all those who are there in the meeting, I will tell them one by one to read this. Okay. So first of
Good
all,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Who is this? Sanidhya?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you, beta?
Ma'am, now I am fine.
Fine. Okay. Very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Bhavya, this is Bhavya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Bhavya, can you read this for me? Theory of tectonic plates.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
No issues. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I start?
Yes, beta. Start, bacha.
Okay. Theory of tectonic plates. The Earth's crust is made up of 7 major and several minor plates. These plates are called as tectonic plates. When the plates move, they cause disturbance in the continental crust, leading to folding, faulting, volcanic activity. In fact, volcanoes are located at the edges of the plate. These plates are continuously moving in different direction due to intense heat and pressure provided by Earth.
See, class, if you remember in 7th class, I told you about the folding, faulting, volcanic activities. We also read about the continental crust also. Oceanic crust और continental crust हमने पढ़ा था. If you remember, जब हमने layers of earth पढ़ा था. If you remember, okay, fine, very good. तो tectonic plates basically हमारी जो earth है, हमारे जो continents हैं, they are continuously moving, right? But we are not able to experience that the tectonic plates are moving. They are continuously into motion, right? See what happens in the folding, faulting, and volcanic activities. Sometimes it so happens that the two plates which are there, they move apart, right? They move apart, and when they move apart, space is created.
Between.
Then sometimes it so happens that the two boundaries that are there or the tectonic plates which are there, they come closer to each other and one tends to go down and the other tends to move up. तो ये reverse हो जाता है.
Upwards.
ठीक है? हाँ जी. ठीक है?
Yes.
Sometimes it so happens that these tectonic plates, because of the, you know, when they strike each other, they slip in the different directions. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And
Yes, ma'am.
अब sometimes it so happens कि भाई क्या होता है, these tectonic plates they collide with each other, एक दूसरे के नीचे आ जाती है, एक ऊपर चली जाती है, कंप्लीटली एक ब्लॉक ऊपर आ जाता है, एक ब्लॉक कंप्लीटली नीचे जो है स्लाइड कर जाता है. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ये आपका हुआ फोल्डिंग में क्या हुआ, फोल्डिंग रिवर्स वाला सिचुएशन, फोल्डिंग हो जाता है हमारा. वी हैव प्रखर कुमार आल्सो इन द क्लास. Beta, is there any Prakhar in the class?
Ma'am, not in
No,
the
ma'am.
meeting.
No, ma'am.
Prakhar
ma'am.
Kumar
Ma'am, them there is a student but not in the meeting.
वही तो समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Fine. These figures are clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. Kumar Parth, read please.
So may I read?
Yes, read.
May I read?
Ma'am, from did you know?
Yes.
Did you know? First point, the 7 continents earlier were a single landmass known as Panga. Second point, Phoenicia. Second, the 5 oceans combined together make a grand ocean called Panthalas. Third point, due to constant movement of convectional current, plates below the earth got split and Pangaeas broke down into different landmasses that we see today. Fourth point, the Europe, Asia, North America and Greenland comprise Angara land. Last point, Africa, Peninsular India, Australia, Antarctica, South America comprise the oldest landmass called Gondwana land. Ma'am, this one also.
हाँ.
Types of plate movement. First, when the plates move and come near each other, they crumble and fold at the base of oceanic floor, resulting in folding on the Earth's surface formation folded mountains. Second, when plates move away from each other, they cause stress on Earth's surface, resulting in faults and formation block mountains. Third, when plates move past horizontally, they result in formation of transform boundary. I'm done. Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Aryan Gupta,
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो बेटा.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मेरे घर पे ना काम चल रहा है तो बहुत शोर आएगा बैकग्राउंड, इसलिए.
You every time have an excuse, हाँ?
मैम मैं आपको आवाज सुना देता हूँ, ठीक है? अभी 1 सेकेंड.
नहीं, रहने दो. I don't want to listen to anything. Manjot, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Read, beta.
Ma'am, may
Formation of Himalayas. First, India was a part of the oldest landmass. Second, the convectional.
The oldest landmass, beta. India was part of the oldest landmass, which was known as the Gondwana land. Okay.
Ma'am, which land?
Gondwana land. Gondwana. It is mentioned in your book.
Ma'am, Gondwana.
Gondwana. Gondwana land.
Yes, ma'am.
The convectional currents split the crust into several pieces, due to which it leads to drifting of the Indo-Australian plates towards north. Third, the Indo-Australian plates collided with the Eurasian plates. Fourth, due to this huge collision, the sedimentary rocks accumulated at the base of sea. Fifth, due to which mountain system of Western Asia and Himalayas were formed.
ठीक है, कह रहा है India was part of the oldest landmass, that is Gondwana land. The convectional currents that splits the crust into 7 pieces, due to which it leads to drifting of the Indo-Australian plates towards north. India was part of the Indo-Australian plate. ठीक है, there is a map which they have shown over here. Just a second, let me show it to you. Here, if you see, this is the Indo-Australian plate, right? India was part of the Indo-Australian plate. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, when these Indo-Australian plates and the Eurasian plates, they collided, of course, there was split, right? There was a breakage. Split होने की वजह से क्या हुआ? Due to this huge collision, the sedimentary rocks. We all know that sedimentary rocks are formed near the where?
Volcanic eruption.
No.
Ma'am, so?
Sea, ocean, river beds. Okay. So
Okay.
because the base of the sea was formed by the sedimentary rocks, that is why it got collided. And we all know sedimentary rocks are the secondary rocks which are very easy to break into pieces because of the spaces that they have in it. So due to this, what happened? Due to this, the mountain system of the Western Asia, the Himalayas were formed. We all call the Himalayas as the youngest mountains. Do you know why? Because of its formation, because of its origin. They are the new fold mountains that have been made, right?
Ma'am, pumic rocks are formed near volcanoes.
Pumic rocks, हाँ शायद, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट हाँ होती हैं वो, इसलिए प्यूमिक रॉक्स जो होती है वो बहुत पोरस होती है बेटा, उनमें बहुत सारे वो होते हैं ना, स्पेसेस होती है, बहुत लाइट होती है वो. So these are the tectonic plates that they have shown. Earlier you had a map in your book, but this time you don't have it. That is why I am not going much in detail of it. Now, formation of Himalayas you saw.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the formation of the northern plains. We all know that the Indian physical divisions are divided into 5 forms, 5 divisions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, huh. Read. Bhavya, are you there? Teacher?
Yes, ma'am.
Read, Bhavya, formation of northern Himalayas.
Okay, ma'am. Formation
Ma'am,
of
how
northern
many?
plains. Okay, ma'am, may I continue? Formation of northern plains. First, due to the gradual upliftment of Himalayas and gradual sinking of land subsidence, this resulted in the formation of depression. In due course of time, the depression, which was formed gradually, got filled by sediments of river, which was flowing from the mountains in the north to the south. It led to the formation of the India's northern plains. It is rich in alluvial oil and is mainly used for agriculture. Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of formation of depression here?
With a depression, a space, गड्ढा. गड्ढा बन जाता है ना.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए next. पढ़ो बेटा. Sanidhya, would you like to read? चलो भव्या, carry on.
Ma'am,
major physiographic divisions of India. First, northern mountains of India, Himalaya. Geologically young and fold mountains. Second, they stretch over the northern boundaries of India. Third, run from west-east direction from river Indus to river Brahmaputra. Fourth, highest and one of the most rugged mountains. Fifth,
Rugged.
form.
Beta, rugged. Rugged means uneven, rough terrains that
Okay,
have.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Rugged mountains. Fifth, forms and are covering a distance of 2,400 kilometer, varying from 400 kilometer in Kashmir and 150 kilometer in Arunachal Pradesh. Ma'am, done.
Fine. So they are simply telling you that geologically, if we see that the Himalayas are the young fold mountains which has a stretch over the northern boundaries of India. If you could see, अरे ये कौन खींच रहा है नारायण वंशराज? चलिए, okay, it says that it stretch. Okay, if you could see, can you see this map which is shown over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In this
Yes,
map, they are
ma'am.
showing, see the colored, the highlighted portion, it shows you the extent of the Himalayas from now north to east, right? Right, तन्मीत कौर
Yes,
कौन
ma'am.
है? ये तन्मीत हमारे क्लास की है. Do we have any Tanmeet in mind?
Ma'am, don't know.
Ma'am, but ma'am, not in our class. Ma'am, 9th B, there is no
नहीं कौन है ये, किस नाम से पूछना?
Ma'am, I think it's
Ma'am,
Jaskirat.
ma'am,
Maybe.
Ma'am, maybe we can just hear.
Got it, beta, got it. Chalo. Then it says that the Himalayas, they run from west to east direction from river Indus to river Brahmaputra. These Himalayas are considered as the one of the highest and the most rugged mountains. Rugged means the terrain that they have is quite uneven, up, down, and it is not very easy to move along the mountains, right? The distance that they cover is 2,400 kilometers. Like it is 400 kilometers in Kashmir, and by the time it goes to Arunachal, it is just 150 kilometers, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, the Himalayas that we see, they are divided into 4 parts, right? We have Himadri, the greater Himalayas. We have Himachal, the lesser Himalayas. We have Shivaliks, which are considered as the outer Himalayas. And we have the Purvanchal, eastern hills and mountains, which is the 4th division of the Himalayas, right?
Ma'am, in last classes, ma'am, we read only the first 3.
Yes, Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Okay, chaliye. Himadri, greater Himalayas. Sanidhya, read.
Himadri, Greater Himalayas. First point, northernmost continuous range of Himalayas. Second point, loftiest superior peak with average height of 60,000 meter. Mount Everest, 8,848 meter. Kanchenjunga, 8,908 meter. Third point, poles are asymmetrical. Fourth point,
Asymmetrical, मतलब which are not even.
symmetrical.
ठीक है, symmetry नहीं है बिल्कुल.
Poles are asymmetrical. Fourth point, they are perennially accessible.
Perennial का मतलब
Perennial.
क्या होता है? What is perennial? Do you know?
Ma'am, which exists for a long time.
And moreover, which has continuous flow of water in it, right? The rivers that come from Himalayas, they are considered to be the perennial rivers because throughout the year the glacier melts and it tends to make the rivers coming from Himalayas have water in it throughout the year, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes.
carry on.
Fifth point, River Ganga rises from the Gangotri Glacier. Sixth point, the core of Himadri is composed of granite.
If I ask you that what is the material that Himadri comprises of is the granite. Granite क्या होता है आपका? कहाँ से मिलता है ग्रेनाइट हमको?
Ma'am, stone.
मेटामॉर्फिक
Ma'am,
रॉक।
stone.
ग्रेनाइट एक स्टोन होता है, पर ये कौन से उससे मिलता है, किस रॉक से मिलता है हमको? मेटामॉर्फिक से मिलता है कि उससे मिलता है? हाँ, बोलो बच्चे।
Metamorphic.
हाँ जी, मेटामॉर्फिक से मिलता है। चलिए, हिमाचल, द लेसर हिमालयास। जसकीरत, आर यू देयर?
यस मैम।
आप पढ़ो बेटा। नाम चेंज कर लिया आप अपने अपना?
मैम एक्चुअली आई वेंट विद माय मॉम्स नेम, आई थिंक सो, बिकॉज़ आई हैव टेकन हर फोन।
चलो कोई नहीं, पढ़ो लेसर हिमालयास। पढ़ो बेटा।
मैम, Himachal lesser Himalayas, most rugged mountains and ranges, located at the south of Himadri, composed of highly compressed and altered rocks, average height 3,700 to 4,500 meters. Important range: Pir Panjal, the Dhuladhar, and the Mahabharat. Famous for Valley of Kashmir, Kangra, and Kullu. Hill stations like Mausri, Nainital, Ranikhet,
मसूरी, बेटा
Shimla.
मसूरी, हिल स्टेशन लाइक मसूरी, नैनीताल, रानीखेत, शिमला। पढ़ो पढ़ो।
Its fruit orchards.
ऑर्चर्ड्स, फ्रूट ऑर्चर्ड्स होते हैं ना, फ्रूट के बागान होते हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, इसमें बता रहा है कि जो लेसर हिमालयाज हैं, दे आर द सेकंड डिवीजन ऑफ द हिमालयाज. They are the most rugged mountain ranges which are located to the south of Himadri. ठीक है? If you look at the map, चलो अभी आगे आएगा वो मैप. If you look at that map, you will find that the Himachal is located to the south of the Himadri, मतलब नीचे की तरफ. ठीक है? हिमाद्री के नीचे है. Then they are composed of compressed and altered rocks. Compressed and altered rocks कौन सी है हमारी? Metamorphic rocks. ठीक है बेटा? Average height is 3,700 to 4,500 meters. And the important ranges that are found in the lesser Himalayas are the Pir Panjal, the Dhauladhar, and the Mahabharat. And this lesser Himalayas or the Himachal is famous for the hill stations that it has. Okay, like valleys of Kashmir, Kangra, Kullu. Kangra और कुल्लू आपका हिमाचल में है. ठीक है? राइट क्लास?
यस मैम।
Yes.
और ये आपका मसूरी, नैनीताल, रानीखेत, ये कहाँ पे है आपका? उत्तराखंड में है.
Ma'am, this Namcha Barwa is a peak.
Which one?
Ma'am, Namcha Barwa.
धौलाधार.
No, ma'am, Namcha Barwa. Ma'am, 7,700.
हाँ, नमचा बरुआ इज अ रेंज. सही कह रहे हो. ठीक है? चलिए
Yes,
नेक्स्ट,
ma'am.
द शिवालिक्स. पढ़ो सानिध्य. इसके बाद अभिनाथ पढ़ेंगे.
Outer Himalayas. First point, extend over a width of 10 to 15 kilometers. Second point, height between 900 meters and 1,100 meters. Composed of unconsolidated mud and rock. Fourth point, prone to landslides and earthquakes. Fifth point, prominent in the western part of India. Sixth point, longitudinal valleys, dunes, Dehradun, Kotli Dune, Patni Dune, etc.
कह रहा है जो शिवालिक से हमारे ये एक्सटेंड करते हैं ओवर अ विड्थ ऑफ 10 to 15 किलोमीटर्स हिमालयाज में. इनकी जो हाइट है, रेंजेस बिटवीन 900 meters to 1100 meters. Then they are composed of unconsolidated mud and rock. Unconsolidated मतलब जो कि बिल्कुल भी फाइन वो नहीं है, ठीक है. They are prone to landslides and earthquake क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो भी मटेरियल पाया जाता है, it is not solidified, ठीक है. Solidified मटेरियल नहीं है, टूटा फूटा है, बिखरा हुआ है.
Okay.
ठीक है. Then they are prominent in the western part of India. ठीक है. Then the longitudinal valleys that we have are the dunes. जिसमें आप देहरादून बोलो, कोटली दून बोलो या पाटली दून बोलो, ये सारे longitudinal valleys जो हैं वो dunes को comprise करती है. ठीक है. आ जाइए. Next अभिनाथ, read.
Purvanchal, eastern hills and mountains. First point, bend sharply to the south. Second point, spread along the eastern edge of India, forming a border with Myanmar called Purvanchal. Third point, composed of strong sandstone that is sedimentary rocks. Fifth, dense forest and run as parallel ranges and valleys. Sixth point, hills that form Purvanchal. First, the Patharkari Hills, Naga Hills, Manipur Hills, Mizo Hills.
Okay, read.
One more slide I have to add.
Now listen. Look at the
Ranges of Himalaya.
Can you look at the figure?
Great. Yes, ma'am.
Now what this figure is telling you?
Yes, ma'am.
This figure. Ma'am, the parts of Himalayas.
Yes, the division, the ranges of the Himalayas, the Great Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas,
Lesser Himalayas,
Outer Himalayas.
Himalaya.
Right? See, over here they have given the important peaks. Nanga Parvat, K2, Mount Kailash, Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga and the Namcha Barua. Then the Trans-Himalayan ranges are Karakoram Range, Ladakh Range, Zaskar Range and the Kalias Range. Right? Now look at the regional division of the Himalayas. Who will read? Kumar Pal? Acha padho.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please put the second one. The regional division of Himalayas. First, Himalaya is divided into 4 sections from west to east direction.
Somebody saying something?
Ma'am, K2 is Karakoram.
The Karakoram to range है K2, Mount K2.
Okay, ma'am.
Read.
May I read? The regional division of Himalayas. First, Himalaya is divided into 4 sections from west to east direction, divided by river valleys. First, Punjab Himalaya, locally known as Kashmir and Himachal Himalayas, from west to east lie between Hindu and Satluj rivers. Kamoyo Himalayas lies between Satluj and Kali rivers.
It is Kumayu Himalayas.
Kumayu Himalayas. Third, Nepal Himalayas lie between Kali and Tista rivers. Last, Assam Himalaya lie between Tista and Dihang rivers.
Okay. I think it is over here. अब हम आपको दूसरी साइड पे ले चलते हैं.
I'm over.
Beta, there are 3 parts of this. This chapter is quite lengthy.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए ये आपका सेकेंड पार्ट. Now these are the topics that were covered in the first slide. How tectonic plates were formed, types of plate movements, formation of Himalayas, northern plains, then the different ranges of Himalayas and the physiographic features. In this particular part, we will cover northern plains, peninsular plateau and the Indian desert. Okay.
Ma'am, may I ask a question?
Yes, beta, बिल्कुल पूछिए. Ask beta.
Ma'am, why the aeroplanes don't fly over the Tibet?
वो हमारा एरिया नहीं है ना.
No, ma'am, all the commercial planes.
I don't know. You tell me.
Ma'am,
Anybody?
because the
Because the commercial.
Ma'am, because the commercial planes, ma'am, fly at a height of only 3,000 feet, 30,000 feet, and
Oh.
ma'am, it is have a range of 29,000, ma'am, estimation. So ma'am, it can't, ma'am, they don't take a risk of a commercial plane, so ma'am, the passengers can hurt.
Exactly. Yeah. Very good. Because of the height factor. चलिए, physiographic features northern plains. Who will read? This orange part that we see, these are all, हाँ ठीक है बेटा पढ़ो. These are all the northern plains, okay? The most fertile area of the region of the country.
My only.
This one girl said, "Ma'am, may I read?" Bhavya or Kavya?
No, I'm
Huh? Who was that, beta?
Ma'am,
Read.
northern plains, fertile alluvial plains formed by the interplay of three major river systems, Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries, formed by deposition of sediments brought down by the rivers over millions of years ago. Area of 7 lakh square kilometer, 2,400 kilometer long, and 240 kilometers broad. It has rich soil cover, adequate water supply, favorable climate, and is densely populated, most agriculturally productive part of India.
Next. Carry on. Carry on, beta.
Ma'am, change the slide.
Changed. I have changed.
Division of northern plains marked by rivers. Indus plains formed by our Indus and its tributaries, Ravi, Bees, Chenab, Jhelum, and Satluj.
Carry on.
Brahmaputra plains, narrow plains drained by our Brahmaputra,
River Brahmaputra
lies mainly in Assam. Ganga plains formed by river Ganga and its tributaries Yamuna,
Ghagra,
Gandak, etc. Extends between
Tista and Ghagra river.
What's that?
Ghagar river, Ghagar.
Tista and Ghagra rivers covers the states UP, Haryana, Delhi, Bihar, West Bengal, and Jharkhand.
Very good. Next. Read.
Ma'am, slide is not changed.
I have changed, beta.
On basis of variation of relief, Khadar, Bhadar, Bhangar,
Khadar, Bhangar, Tarai. Okay.
Khadar, Bhabar,
Bhangar and
Tarai.
See, Khadar is the new alluvial plains. Bhangar is the old alluvial plains, right? Tarai is the region lying low to the mountains. ठीक है?
Ma'am, ma'am, what is relief?
Relief बेटा आपका land forms. Relief features बोलते हैं ना?
Okay, ma'am.
पढ़ो.
Ma'am, who?
Anybody who wants to read? आप पढ़ लो सानिध्य.
Bhabar, first point, narrow belt of about 8 to 16 kilometers, lying parallel to the slope of the Shivalik.